The gaming PC just got smaller, faster, and more global. Asus is on the move, and so is its next-gen mini powerhouse. Meet the ROG NUC 2025, Asus's bold attempt to redefine compact gaming. First shown off at CES 2025, this mini PC packs a serious punch, now officially rolling out across the US, UK, Eurozone, and, finally, China. At its core, Intel's top-tier Core Ultra 9 275HX. GPU options? Take your pick. Nvidia's RTX 5070 Ti or the formidable RTX 5080 laptop GPU. And yes, this thing stays cool and quiet under pressure. Don't let the size fool you. The ROG NUC goes toe-to-toe with full-size desktops while saving serious desk space. Performance per inch? Off the charts. Now let's talk price, because this is where things get interesting. The US saw the high-end model land at $2,849, until Asus quietly bumped it to $3,199 on their site. But over on Amazon, you can still grab it for the original MSRP. Meanwhile, China just got the cheapest ROG NUC config to date, Yen 18,999, or about $2,644 US, featuring the Ultra 9, RTX 5070 Ti, 32 gigs of RAM, and a 2TB SSD. There was supposed to be a cheaper 1TB option, but that one's gone dark. Here's a quick look at what's available right now. Core Ultra 9 plus RTX 5070 Ti plus 16 gigs of RAM plus 1TB SSD. Amazon US, $2,149. Amazon UK, £2,086. Germany, €2,610. Core Ultra 9 plus RTX 5070 Ti plus 32 gigs of RAM plus 2TB SSD. Amazon US, $2,349. Amazon UK, £2,277. Core Ultra 9 plus RTX 5080 plus 32 gigs of RAM plus 2TB SSD. Amazon US, $2,349. Amazon UK, £2,641. Germany, €3,182. It's not just the specs. You're getting rock-solid thermals, sleek I/O, and performance that's future-ready, all in a form factor smaller than your graphics card box. The ROG NUC 2025 isn't just a mini PC. It's proof that compact doesn't mean compromise. Thinking about upgrading your battle station? Check out the full breakdown in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. This is just the beginning for Asus's next-gen lineup. If you want to grab one for yourself, just tap the product link right here. It's the easiest way to check the latest price, and it helps support the channel too.
Hold me close till I get up.